Alright, potassium is known as kalium, K-A-L-I-U-M, okay? And as like sodium, potassium is kept in oil. Right? Can you see the oil? Can you see the oil inside there? Huh? Yeah. This is to prevent it from coming into contact with oxygen and water in the air. Now this is a big piece. Now this big piece will give you a big explosion. Huh? So we don't want to use this big piece. We cut into half using a knife, and the knife will be able to cut it through and expose a very shiny surface. Can you see the shiny surface there? Huh? Okay, now this is still a very big piece, so we're going to cut off a small piece like that. And that piece is not small, but because we are using a basin, it is okay. Huh? Okay. So we are going to bring this near and put it into a basin of water. Okay? Send some here. First, we will pour some UI inside, and UI is
Green.
UI is green. Okay, so now we put it inside here.
Is the camera okay?
The camera is okay. Wow, that was interesting, huh? Yeah. Yeah. Did it get you at all? No, yeah. So that's why potassium is very dangerous. And then this whole thing turns purple, right? Wow, yes. Woo! Woo! Never mind. Now I got to clean up the potassium. Okay. Yes. That's good, that's good. Yeah, that will be a good experiment to put on YouTube.